Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Dancehall artist Conscience has released the highly anticipated album titled It Feel Good. The project consists of 16 tracks and features international stars like Rick Ross, Shaggy, Chris Brown, Taurus Riley, and music producer and recording artist Russian. The single Big Belly featuring Rick Ross premiered on the Billboard chart on Sunday and has a rare vocal appearance from longtime producer Russian.
The Big Belly boy Ricky Rose there.
We about that money, dog, ain't nothing funny. We about that money, dog, ain't nothing funny. Man, I fi get the bread, got to get the bread. I fi get the bread, got to get the bread.
Other tracks listed on the album are Real Real Love, which showcases a more mature romantic sound, while Days of My Life featuring Satori addresses the recent death of his brother Delos. Conscience has also dropped the video for his single Simple, which features Taurus Riley.
Chimney,
New government,
give thanks.
sing it.
You know, every day,
Realest thing here in our world, brother.
we give thanks.
For real.
You spend all that money on your watch. How much time you spend with your son?
The album includes a remix of the 2016 hit single Broke Off Your Back with Chris Brown and his latest dancehall track Turn Me On. It Feel Good is the first release in a joint venture between Conscience's Subconscious label and the San Francisco-based Empire. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission JCDC saw a remarkable number of entries for the 2018 staging of the Jamaica Festival Song Competition. Over 200 participants from across the island submitted entries. This marks a record year for the competition when compared to the last 10 years, with an increase of almost 500% on previous year's entries. In 2017, the competition was cancelled due to the low entries. However, this year the competition has been revamped. The 2018 staging of the event will feature a series of road shows and special appearances, which will give the performers the necessary exposure they need. Members of the public will also get the opportunity to know the songs and the artists. An overall prize purse of $10 million will be awarded to the winner of the competition, which will be shared among the performers, songwriters, and producers. The semi-final for the concert is scheduled for Wednesday, March 23 at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center at 6 p.m. with a grand final scheduled for Saturday, July 14. Dancehall artist Jamil recently made his debut in Gambia. The strongest soldier hitmaker pulled over 20,000 patrons at the show, which he headlined at the Independence Stadium in Baku. Jamil is determined to widen his fan base as he continues on his path to gain the world. His debut performance comes off the heels of his successful US tour that ended in February. Jamil scored the hit 3 years ago, Gain the World. The artist is set to co-headline 3 shows in the UK alongside Taurus Riley and Sham. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.